Gas prices are climbing again, and this time, Americans aren't waiting around. They're ditching their gas-guzzling trucks and SUVs and hunting down something smarter, something older, something proven. Fuel-efficient used cars are flying off lots at a pace nobody predicted. Some of these vehicles are already getting harder to find. Prices are rising fast, and the buying frenzy hasn't even peaked yet. Today, we're counting down 6 incredible fuel-saving machines that savvy buyers are grabbing right now, before the number 1 car on this list shocks everyone with its MPG numbers. Number 6. 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Let's start where a lot of smart shoppers are starting, with a car that flew completely under the radar for years. The 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Now, some of you might be thinking, a Ford hybrid from 2010? Really? But hang on, because what this car quietly pulled off is actually remarkable, and buyers are waking up to it in a big way. Here's the scene. You're sitting at a gas station, watching the pump click past $40, $50, $60, and you haven't even filled the tank halfway. That's the gas station nightmare millions of Americans are living every single week right now. And that kind of financial pain has a way of changing minds fast. Enter the 2010 Fusion Hybrid. At a time when most midsize sedans were burning through fuel like it was free, Ford's hybrid system was quietly delivering around 34 miles per gallon in the city and 36 on the highway. Real-world owners regularly reported achieving between 38 and 42 miles per gallon in mixed driving. That is not a misprint. What made this car special was how normal it felt. Ford understood something its competitors missed. Drivers don't want to feel like they're sacrificing comfort for fuel economy. The Fusion Hybrid had a spacious, quiet interior with a back seat that could actually fit adults. It had a trunk that could swallow real luggage. It had a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride. It felt like a proper American sedan, because it was one. Now here's the financial picture in 2026. Used Fusion hybrids in decent condition are still available in the $7,000 to $12,000 range, though that window is closing. Reliability data from longtime owners shows the hybrid battery holding up remarkably well. Many original batteries are still functioning beyond 150,000 miles. Routine maintenance is straightforward and affordable, and Ford dealerships still stock the parts. The ownership community around this car is vocal and proud. Common praise? Things like, I used to spend $80 a week on gas. Now I spend $30. That kind of real-world saving is exactly what 2026 buyers need to hear. Are there downsides? Sure. The infotainment system is dated. The throttle response is softer than a conventional sedan. And at highway speeds, the CVT-style transmission can feel a little disconnected. But when gas is flirting with $7 a gallon, do you really care about the infotainment screen? The smart money is moving fast on the Fusion Hybrid. Used values are ticking upward, and good examples are getting harder to find. If you spot one with under 100,000 miles and a clean history, that window to act is getting very narrow. But as impressive as the Fusion Hybrid is, the next car on this list surprised even fuel economy experts when it launched. And it still surprises people today. Number 5. 2009 Honda Fit Sport. The 2009 Honda Fit Sport may be small, but its reputation is massive. In 2026, Americans are rushing to buy clean examples because this little hatchback delivers incredible fuel economy, legendary reliability, and surprising practicality at a price most people can still afford. The Fit Sport averages around 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, with some owners reporting nearly 38 miles per gallon during long highway drives. For a car that often sells for under $8,000, those numbers make it one of the smartest fuel-saving buys on the used market. But fuel economy is only part of the story. What really made the Fit famous was Honda's magic seat system. The rear seats fold in multiple ways, creating cargo space that feels shockingly large for such a tiny car. Owners regularly haul bikes, furniture, camping gear, and oversized items that most people would expect to need an SUV for. Reliability is another reason demand keeps climbing. Honda's 1.5-liter engine from this era has a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Repair costs stay low, parts are affordable, and mechanics know these cars inside and out. It's the definition of a wallet-friendly survivor. The Fit Sport is also genuinely fun to drive. Its lightweight design, responsive steering, and sporty suspension give it a go-kart feel that many modern crossovers completely lack. Of course, it isn't perfect. Road noise can be noticeable at highway speeds. The ride feels stiff on rough pavement, and the engine isn't especially powerful. But for buyers trying to survive rising gas prices without sacrificing practicality, those weaknesses are easy to overlook. And the next car on this list shocked buyers by delivering incredible fuel economy from a much larger and more comfortable sedan. Number 4. 2012 Volkswagen Passat TDI. The 2012 Volkswagen Passat TDI shocked Americans by delivering incredible fuel economy from a full-size family sedan. This wasn't a tiny commuter car or stripped-down hybrid. It was a roomy, comfortable highway cruiser capable of reaching up to 43 miles per gallon on the highway. That number still sounds unbelievable for a sedan this size. The Passat TDI offered spacious seating for adults, a massive trunk, and the kind of quiet highway ride people usually expect from much more expensive luxury cars. For long-distance commuters, it became a fuel-saving hero hiding in plain sight. The 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine also gave the car strong low-end torque, making it feel smooth and effortless during highway driving. Owners regularly praised how relaxed and refined it felt on long trips. Thanks to the large fuel tank and excellent efficiency, some drivers could travel over 700 miles between fill-ups. In 2026, Americans facing rising fuel costs are rediscovering cars like this because the math makes sense. A comfortable sedan with luxury-like refinement and hybrid-level highway fuel economy is becoming hard to ignore. Of course, the Passat TDI comes with an important warning. This generation was affected by Volkswagen's diesel emissions scandal, so buyers need to confirm all recall and emissions update work has been completed before purchasing one. But well-maintained examples remain highly respected. The diesel engine is known for durability when serviced properly, and owners who follow the maintenance schedule often report extremely high mileage with minimal issues. The DSG transmission does require regular servicing, but buyers who stay on top of maintenance are usually rewarded with excellent longevity. Comfort is another major reason values are climbing. The cabin feels refined, the seats are supportive, and the overall driving experience feels far more expensive than the car's used price suggests. And the next vehicle on this list is becoming even harder to find because buyers across America are grabbing them up as fast as they appear. Number 3. 2013 Toyota Prius. The 2013 Toyota Prius is one of the most important fuel-saving cars ever made. And in 2026, as gas prices continue climbing, Americans are rushing to buy clean used examples before prices rise even further. The 2013 model year hit the sweet spot for the third-generation Prius. Toyota refined the hybrid system, improved efficiency, and delivered the kind of reliability that made the Prius legendary. Real-world fuel economy regularly lands between 48 and 52 miles per gallon, with some highway drivers pushing beyond 55 miles per gallon. At a time when gas prices are threatening household budgets, that kind of efficiency feels like a financial lifeline. Compared to a normal 25 miles per gallon sedan, the savings can easily reach hundreds of dollars every month. Reliability is another huge reason demand keeps rising. The hybrid battery has a strong reputation for longevity, and many original batteries are still running well beyond 200,000 miles. The 1.8-liter engine is known for durability, while regenerative braking helps reduce wear on brake components, lowering maintenance costs even more. The Prius is also more practical than many people expect. The hatchback design offers excellent cargo space. The rear seats are usable for adults, and the aerodynamic shape helps maximize fuel economy in real-world driving. Of course, the Prius isn't exciting to drive. The steering feels light, the handling is average, and nobody buys one for performance. But in 2026, buyers are focused on surviving rising fuel prices, not carving corners. That's exactly why used values are climbing fast. Americans see the Prius as a dependable fuel-saving hero that simply works year after year. And the next car on this list changes the formula completely, because it delivers fuel economy close to the Prius while still making driving genuinely fun. Number 2. 2014 Mazda 3 Skyactiv. The 2014 Mazda 3 Skyactiv proved that fuel-efficient cars don't have to feel boring. And in 2026, it's becoming one of the smartest gas-saving used cars Americans can buy. Mazda's Skyactiv technology focused on squeezing incredible efficiency from a regular gasoline engine without relying on a hybrid system. The result was impressive, up to 40 miles per gallon on the highway while still delivering one of the most enjoyable driving experiences in its class. That balance is what makes the Mazda 3 Skyactiv stand out. City fuel economy typically lands around 30 miles per gallon, while highway driving regularly reaches 38 to 40 miles per gallon. But unlike many economy cars, this one actually feels fun to drive. The steering feels sharp, the handling is responsive, and the car feels surprisingly sporty on winding roads. Inside, the Mazda 3 punches far above its price range. Owners constantly praise the upscale cabin, comfortable seats, and premium materials. Many first-time buyers expected a basic commuter car and ended up shocked by how refined it felt. Reliability has also been excellent. Independent mechanics often praise Mazda's build quality from this era, and the Skyactiv engine has developed a strong reputation for durability. Maintenance costs stay relatively affordable, parts are easy to find, and many owners report driving well past 200,000 miles with very few problems. Of course, it's not perfect. Rear seat space is tight for taller passengers, and the infotainment system feels outdated by modern standards. And because it lacks a hybrid badge, many buyers overlook it completely. That's creating a huge opportunity right now. As gas prices continue climbing, more Americans are discovering that the 2014 Mazda 3 Skyactiv delivers fuel economy close to a hybrid while still being genuinely fun to own. And the smart money is moving fast before prices climb even higher. Number 1. 2011 Lexus CT 200h. The 2011 Lexus CT 200h has become one of the smartest used luxury cars Americans are rushing to buy in 2026. With gas prices climbing higher, this hybrid hatchback delivers the perfect mix of fuel economy, comfort, and reliability. Under the hood is Toyota's proven hybrid system, the same technology that made the Prius famous for durability. Real-world fuel economy regularly lands between 40 and 43 miles per gallon, making the CT 200h a true wallet-friendly survivor during a gas price crisis. But unlike most economy-focused hybrids, this one feels genuinely premium. Inside, the CT 200h offers the quiet, refined experience people expect from Lexus. The cabin features soft-touch materials, comfortable seating, and excellent build quality. Many owners say it feels far more expensive than its current used price suggests. Reliability is one of the biggest reasons demand keeps rising. The hybrid system has an outstanding reputation for longevity, with many examples easily passing 150,000 miles with minimal problems. Maintenance costs are also lower than many traditional luxury cars, especially compared to older German sedans. For drivers who want luxury without constant repair bills or painful fuel costs, the CT 200h makes a lot of sense in 2026. It's not perfect. The rear seat is tight, cargo space is limited, and the driving experience focuses more on efficiency than speed. But those drawbacks haven't stopped buyers from hunting them down. The 2011 Lexus CT 200h delivers luxury comfort with Prius-level fuel economy, and that combination is becoming harder to ignore as gas prices keep rising. The smart money figured this out months ago. The question is whether you move before the last clean examples disappear. So which of these 6 fuel-saving legends would you actually buy? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to know. If this list helped you think smarter, hit like, subscribe, and watch our next video right now.